So in part one, I talked about who I thought might suit the X platform and the Lyft Basic platform. And I suggested that those platforms work out great for those that have jobs already. And most times when drivers are coming on to drive Uber and Lyft, they're just looking to make some supplemental income. They're not looking to make it a full-time gig. But in this part, we're going to talk about the full-time people. Full-time in the rideshare game, it's completely different. It's not a 9-to-5 job, and you got to understand that up front. Now, there are some people that really enjoy the flexibility that they get out of rideshare, whether you're doing rides with people or food delivery or whatever it is. You cannot deny the flexibility that it offers you, right? But if you're going to be out here full-time mode, there's only one way to go, and that's XL and X and comfort. If you can find a vehicle that you don't have to spend a ton of money on to get you a vehicle that will give you XL, will give you comfort, and you can still do X because that vehicle is going to give you really good gas mileage, let me tell you something. You can make some damn good money out here no matter what the season. Well, people say, Vinny, what do you mean by that? Well, it's pretty simple, right? X is always going to be in demand. Always, always, always. But, you know, the XLs pay twice what X pays. So if you have the availability of your vehicle to give XL rides, all you're doing is doubling your money. The only people that really take XL for the most part are those that are, you know, going out at night, or maybe they got a lot of groceries, or maybe they're going to the airport, or maybe they're coming in and you're working the airport. You have the ability at that point to handle up to 6 people. Now, here's a little secret. Most drivers that drive Lux or Lux SUV or Premier SUV, whatever you want to call it in your area, let me tell you something, they're taking XLs. They have no choice. There's not enough rides on those upper 2 platforms to just go those 2 platforms full time. XL just offers you the best of both worlds, right? It's affordable for most people. They're only going to use it when they need it. But if you have the right vehicle, you can still do X and make a killing. You're not worried about that. There are some XL vehicles out there, some minivans or whatever, that get close to 30 miles to the gallon. There's nothing wrong with that. Full time out here could be 50 hours a week, 60 hours a week. If I were one of those guys or ladies that were doing XL and X, this would be my schedule. 4 hours in the morning, 4 to 8. 4 hours in the afternoon, maybe 4 to 8, right? And then I do that Monday through Friday in the mornings. In the evenings on Friday, I would come out later. I would probably start around 8 o'clock, work till midnight. Then Saturday, always on Saturday night. Saturday nights are always going to be your best nights because people are moving. They know they're going to go out and have a good time. They're going to be drinking a little bit, and or they don't want to deal with parking, whatever the issue is. So that's when you can make your best money. When I tell you the majority of rides after X, the next highest platform is XL, I'm not joking about that. There's no ego in XL, you know, because you're not driving one of the bigger vehicles, one of the more quote unquote luxurious vehicles, but you can make some damn good money in that platform. If I were going to be a full-time driver, especially in this economy, especially knowing how people's pockets are getting tighter, that's what I would do. I would be an X and XL driver. Anyway, that's all I got. If you got any comments, questions, leave them down below. We'll see you next time. Peace out.